The doctor's office.
For your...
Teeth to get clean.
So you're at the dentist. Who is our dentist? Miss Hallie? Or Dr. Hallie? She's so kind.
We're back. Okay?
You want to protect your shirt because it's really pretty. Yeah. See? We all get a little special. I'm ready for you.
You excited, Trinity?
Yeah.
To count your teeth?
Yeah.
We get to use them together.
I get to feel.
What?
I get to feel.
I'll let you look at them.
No, I can feel.
You'll feel them on your teeth. And it'll be like, skitch, skitch, skitch. These are those sunglasses.
Oh, what do you tell her?
That's to protect you from the sun. It's really bright. See?
Perfect. Look at
Sunshine. So bright. Kind of like this way, then when we set it down, push up a little bit and then sweep
How to remove plaque.
can really help.
All right.
And you want to open for me?
So now he's walking?
Just like that. Right across the biting surfaces, and then the same thing on the inside. And we
Okay.
sweep it off, and then when we get to the front, push and sweep, push and sweep, and brush, sweep.
I'm so proud of you,
Go ahead and bite
Trinity.
down for me. You can also do big circles. Okay, how about you try that? Go and take the toothbrush. You try. You show me.